everyone. This is Kaikasha. In this session, you are going to learn Unit 6. I played a game. This poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Ken Nesbitt is an American children poet. Children, this poem is based on our daily life activities. The fun, the joy we learn or we have. Children, we can, through this poem, we can recall the memories of poet's childhood and we can learn from those. In this poem, the poet described about his childhood memories. So let us read the poem and understand it. I played a game. I rode my bike. I had a snack. I took a hike. I read a book. I watched TV. I built a fort. I climbed a tree. I surfed the web. I played guitar. I caught a bug inside a jar. I called my friends. I dug a hole. I kicked a ball. I scored a goal. I had a swing. I learned to skate. I played with toys. I stayed up late. It's fair to say I do like school, but even more though weekends rule. So children, let us learn the poem line by line and understand it.
So children, let us see what all games the poet played. I played a game. So the poet is playing the games. Which all games? Let us see. I rode my bike. So he rides a bike when he was a child. You people also love to ride a bike, no children? I had a snack. So he loves to eat snack. You people also love to eat snack. You will wait for Saturdays. Every Saturday what you will bring children? Snack. Snack in the sense samosa, biscuit, chips. Okay. So here poet also love to eat snack. I took a hike. Hike means a long walk. So poet loves to go for a long walk. Okay. I read a book. The poet read many books like story books, comics or any subject book. I watched TV. Watch TV means the poet loved to watch TV. Because you can see cartoon movies or sports or sometimes news. Okay, so all people love to watch TV. I built a fort. You can see in this picture, children, how children is playing, making tent house. So in the same way, the poet also loved to build a fort. I climbed a tree. So when he was a child, he used to climb a tree. You have seen that children, when you see sweet fruits on the tree, so what you all do, you will rush towards the tree, you will climb the tree and you will pluck that flowers. Okay, this was the game for the children. I surf the web. Surf the web means when you get some projects or some activities, so you don't understand. So what you will do, you go directly on the internet, and you will in Google you will search that activities or projects. So it will be helpful for you. So and you can play games also. So the poet also loved to do that. I played guitar. So played guitar means musical instrument. Guitar is a musical instrument. So the poet likes to play guitar. I caught a bug inside a jar. Caught a bug inside a jar means the catching insects. Bug is an insect. So many children having this habit that they will catch insects and they will put in the jar and they will play with that. So here also the poet loves to do that. I call my friends. Till now the poet has played himself. Now he called his friends for playing. I dug a hole. What he did? He put a hole in the mud for playing. I kicked a ball. So here which game the poet played? Football. He kicked a ball and I scored a goal. So the poet scored a goal. Next, I had a swim. So the poet goes for swimming. Okay, the poet went for swimming. I learned to skate. Then the poet learned skating also when he was a child. I played with toys. So the poet loves to play with toys. Not only poet, many children loves to play with their toys. I stayed up late. I stayed up late means the poet did not sleep. He was awake, playing with toys. So he did not sleep. It is fair to say I do like school, but I have to say that I have to go to school. After playing a lot, I am not satisfied. Still more, I want to play games, but I have to go to school. But even more, though weekends rule. So the poet was telling that he has to go to school, but still he wants to play the more games. Let me ask you some questions, children. What all the games the poet had played? He played bicycle, he played toys, he played guitar, he played football. What he catch in his jar? He caught a bug in his jar. What did he learn? He learned to swim and skate. Yes, children. These all the games played by the poet in his childhood.
I hope you all understood this poem, children. I know you like to play games, whether it is indoor games or outdoor games, whether you want to play alone or whether you want to play with friends, but you like to play games. But always you should not waste your time in playing games. Take care of your studies also. Nowadays you are staying at home, so children, most of the time you are playing. I know that. So don't waste your time always in playing. Try to concentrate on your studies. Thank you.